What up everybody, it's your Wolf Grey back with a new rap video, and today I will be doing scars, and I'll be looking at the lyrics. Yeah, I wrote them lyrics, and I wouldn't be eye contacting with y'all because I'll be looking at the lyrics. Yeah, let's get on. Doper than the dope, but the dope is all fraud. They be taking you down, they're taking you to the cop. Losing your family, you be counting the bars while your baby out there wishing on a shooting star. Daddy wish you came back, mommy could've changed track. I wish you were the best, maybe this is for the gold test. If I wasn't blessed, I wouldn't be here. If this wasn't my life, I wouldn't have feared. It's for the reason and the reason why I'm holding on my life, I will never cry. The scars never really hit, but I will try to be the best, so better than my other side. This is for the people who's fighting life. This is for the people who will end up right. This is for the haters that be taking our step right through my heart, saying I'm never bright. Yo, it wouldn't be easy to stand down on the rope. It wouldn't be easy to take all on me to cope. I don't even care if my rap is always flop. Don't end up like me walking on a lonely rope. Love and the time, I wish I could rewind. I wish I could take you back to the days we were fine. I wish I had the power like Optimus Prime. I wish I could break everything that I find. Save me, heal me, you teach me, you feel me. You don't have to teach me, always had to please me. God has always blessed me, you don't have to praise me. And I say, I just wanna tell the people who go against me, you have the money, your power to go against me. I have none, and I am done. I'm sick and tired, I'm never gonna run. But one day when I have the opportunity to break through, I will throw some money on your face and scream, screw you. I will put my middle finger in the air, cause all you could've treat me like trash, and that wasn't fair. Said you come back, promising upon the moon. The sun rising higher, but you never coming soon. If this was all a lie, could've crossed your finger. Now I'm looking for you, dialing all the numbers. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and I'll be back with new videos.